our first online class for this semester. So today we're going to learn about Module 7, Understanding Written Conversation, and Module 8. What is Module 8? I forgot. Main ideas and topic of paragraphs. Okay? Okay, now let's take a look at page 7.2. Sudah? Sudah ya? Okay, good. Now, jadi di kegiatan belajar pertama modul 7 ini kita belajar mencoba untuk mengerti written conversation. Biasanya conversation dilakukan secara live, maksudnya ada dua arah komunikasi, dan itu kita pasti membicarakan tentang sesuatu, pasti ada satu tema yang dibicarakan oleh mereka gitu. Nah, bagaimana kayak misalkan kita melihat TV atau percakapan atau acara-acara talk show di TV. Nah, seperti itu kan kita biasanya kalau misalkan conversation, dia ada intonasi-intonasinya yang membuat kita mengerti, oh, ini maksudnya ini maksudnya ini gitu. Gimana kalau conversation itu ditaruh di dalam 2 dimensi, yaitu di atas kertas. Nah, jadi sekarang kita belajar untuk understanding written conversation. Jadi conversation yang ditulis, ya. Sebagai contoh, di halaman 7.2, Phil, what's going on around here? Why is everyone changing offices? Marcia, haven't you heard? Where have you been anyway? I just got back from visiting the plant in Chicago. Well, there are a lot of changes being made here this week. Yes, I see. But what are they? For one thing, Maria and Jim are being transferred. Where are they going? Did they get promoted? Maria's going to the office in Atlanta, and she's going to be in charge of the whole southern region. That sounds like a pretty good promotion to me. What about Jim? He's going to manage the plant in California. And you? What about you? Are you going to get transferred too? No, I'm going to stay right here. Did you get promoted? Not yet, but I'm hoping I will be. Don't you want to get transferred? I'd like that job in California. No, I want to stay right here at the company headquarters. This is the place to get noticed by top management. Nah, seperti itu. Jadi ada percakapan antara Phil dan Marcia. Sekarang biasanya dari situ akan muncul pertanyaan-pertanyaan. What is the topic of the conversation about? Di situ kita bisa lihat ya, ceritanya adalah tentang keadaan di suatu kantor yang berubah, di mana beberapa orang ada yang ditransfer, ada yang mendapat promosi. Jadi, the topic is about job promotion. And where does the conversation probably take place? Nah, karena ini tentang job, berarti di kantor, jelas. Nggak mungkin ini di restoran, ya kan? Nah, terus yang ketiga, who are they? Who are they? Who are they? Ya, mereka staff dari kantor tersebut. So, they are the staff of a company. Jadi, understanding written conversation nantinya akan diikuti oleh beberapa pertanyaan. Kalau misalkan ini keluar di ujian, jadi harus benar-benar jeli. Kira-kira di mana biasanya take place, yang pasti itu take place sama topik dari yang dibicarakan 2 orang tersebut atau 3 orang tersebut. Itu ya. Oke. Biasanya Gak enak ya ngedenger conversation itu kayak tadi, cuman saya doang yang ngomong. Sekarang saya mau coba bereksperimen sedikit sama mic-nya. Yang mic-nya siapa aja ya kira-kira? Aku coba dari absen ya. Ini dari absen sini nih. Paling atas itu Mbak Susi sama Mbak Eti ya. Aku coba nyalain mic-nya, kalau memang bisa nanti. Oke, kita coba aja dulu. Oke, Mbak Susi mic-nya lagi aku nyalain, Mbak Eti juga. Oh, oke. Mbak Susi ada bos di rumah. Oke, jadi nggak bisa ya? Oke, kalau gitu berarti Mbak Endang. Eh, iya, Mbak Endang. Mbak Endang juga mic-nya lagi aku nyalain, nanti Mbak Susi aku matiin lagi mic-nya. Oke. Sedang loading. Oke, Mbak Susi sudah mati mic-nya ya. Lama sekali. Oke, sambil menunggu. Aku coba bacakan satu conversation lagi, yang pendek aja. Sambil nunggu ya, sambil nunggu. Oh. Sepertinya nggak ada yang mau nyala. Mbak Argi ini. Oke. Mbak Eti ada mic-nya. Kalau Mbak Argi katanya ada ya. Aku coba ya. Kalau misalkan nggak, oke. Mana Mbak? Aku nggak bisa. Oh, ini dia. Oke, tadi yang gabung Mbak Rina gabung sama siapa? Oke, Mbak Rina sama Mbak Umi. Ada lagi kah yang gabung? Nggak ada yang bisa nih nyala mic-nya. Ya sudah. Ya sudah ya, nggak apa-apa ya. Nggak ada yang mau nyala ini mic-nya. Oke, kita lanjut. Conversation number 1, halaman 7.3. Okay, what are you going, Tina and Paul? This is a conversation between Tina and Paul. What are you going to do now that you have your law degree? I'm going into politics. Okay, you should be very sure of yourself. I am. I studied law so I could go into politics. After all, law is the business of government. Aren't you going to set up your own practice? I've been offered a position in a law firm, but I want to get started on my political career right away. Iya, selamat datang Mbak Mila. Lagi di halaman 7.3 ya. It's okay, nggak apa-apa. Oke, lanjut. What office are you going to run for? The state legislature. To start with, have you got your career all mapped out already? Yes, I have. After I had some experience at the state level, I will run for Congress. Don't you want to try to run for governor of the state? No, I want to go to Washington. The state governments have much less power nowadays than the federal government. I didn't know you were so ambitious. I'm interested in public service, Who knows? Perhaps after a few years in Congress, I might even have the chance to run for president. You're forgetting the great danger in politics. You can lose election as well as win them. If that ever happened, I'd still have my law degree, you know. Okay. So, the question, what is the topic of the conversation? Yang tahu jawabannya silakan ditulis. The topic of the conversation is after okay. Mbak Endang legislative about politik. Mbak Fitri postgraduated issue. Mbak Emi after graduation. Oke. Yap, yang benar adalah ya, pembicaraan dua mahasiswa yang salah satunya telah lulus. Jadi gimana? Ya, yang benar tuh ya postgraduated issue. Ya, itu sebenarnya sesuai di kunci jawabannya, itu benar sekali. Now, number 2, are they politician? So, no. Oh, banyak yang no, they aren't. So, what are they? Nah, it's okay, Mbak Endang. So, what are they? If they're not politicians, so what are they? Ayo, silakan diketik what are they? What are they? So, Mbak Fitri bilang they are lulusan law degree. Oh, Mbak Endang ya. They are lulusan law degree. Ini namanya antara Indonesia Inggris dicampur jadi fusion. Mbak Emi bilang student in law degree. Oke, nggak apa-apa Mbak Susi, silahkan. Oke, ya. Mbak Fitri bilang they are college student who have already graduated. Betul. Atau kita bisa bilang postgraduate student. Ya, dia lebih singkat aja, tapi itu betul. Oke. Sekarang sayang banget ini mic-nya nggak jalan ya. Saya pengen banget, maksudnya conversation-nya tuh live. Ya, graduated student. Oh, Mbak Eti, mic-nya nyala. Halo. Halo Mbak Eti. Ini mic-nya aktif nih di sini. Bisa dicoba ngomong? Mbak Eti. Mbak Eti, Mbak Eti ada mic nggak di situ? Oke. Oke, aku nggak dengar.